In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a security question in Fiverr. This essential step will help you ensure that your account is more secure, particularly when it comes to protecting your revenue withdrawals and any changes to your password. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. The first step is to log into your Fiverr account. You'll want to open your browser and head over to the Fiverr website, where you can enter your login details. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down menu. From the options available in this menu, you're going to select Account Settings. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Here, you're going to be given multiple sections that you can explore, but today our focus is on keeping your account secure. So move over to the left side of the screen and find Account Security. Give it a click. By landing on the account security page, you're taking an important step towards safeguarding your account. You should now see an option for security questions. Creating a security question is crucial because it adds an extra layer of protection. This additional security measure is significant, particularly for two vital actions: making sure your revenue withdrawals are secure and providing an extra checkpoint when you need to change your password. Now you'll notice an option to set a security question. Click on this and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select a question. Fiverr offers a variety of predefined questions from which you can choose. It's important to pick a question that you're comfortable with and that has an answer you won't forget. Once you've selected a question, the next step is to provide the answer to it. Make sure the answer is something memorable yet secure, avoiding anything that could be easily guessed by someone else. After you've typed in your answer, go ahead and click Submit. And there you have it. Your security question is now set up and ready to act as a fortified checkpoint for your account. By adding this security question, you've significantly enhanced the security on your Fiverr account, making it harder for any unauthorized access to impact your revenue withdrawals or password changes. This straightforward yet effective step will give you peace of mind as you navigate your freelancing journey on Fiverr. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow these steps carefully and feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Stay secure and enjoy your Fiverr experience.